I'm John Hucker, the president of the Swiss Finance and Technology Association. Thanks for joining us today. I'm joined by a panel of experts from the FinTech community, primarily from the alternative lending space, who are here to talk about the impact of the crisis and what it's doing to startups in general, but businesses in general as well, and how FinTech can also perhaps provide a bit of a solution to some of the challenges. I don't want to spend too much time introducing things. We're here to share some ideas today. I thought the best place to start would be with Christen Meisser, who is the CEO of LEXR, a local FinTech and legal company, but also working with the association's advocacy committee to address the corona crisis and help provide solutions. So Christen, I want to hand over to you and give you a moment to introduce yourself and give a bit more detail to what you're up to.
Sure. Thank you, John Hucker. My name is Christen Meisser. As mentioned, I founded LEXR 3.5 years ago, a legal services provider focused on the tech, fintech, and digital companies. I have a traditional background in law and then decided to launch LEXR to have a more tech-powered way of resolving legal problems. We're now as well involved in a lot of fintech and blockchain projects and see a lot of the solutions that digitalization software can provide to financial general. And I think that's also something I want to spend a bit of time on, how technology and fintech companies can help in this crisis. A couple of points I want to touch on. First is liquidity as the key part, both on the cash in and cash out side, what government programs are out there, what we think about them, but also what market-based solutions are out there. I think in my viewpoint, program is pretty spot on. And one important factor to consider is that in a democracy, such a program where a lot of taxpayers' money is spent, fraud detection and prevention must be a key aspect of it. As often in these government programs, first there's the push that the government should do more, and if then there is a potential of fraud, there's an outcry, rightly so, if money has been misspent. And I think that's where the fintech solutions can really come into play as well, where you have credit platforms, for example, that have tech-powered solutions to make credit checks and background checks of applicants, make them fast, but also prevent fraud in that space.
SMEs are our clients, and SMEs are the hardest hit now at this time by the corona pandemic. And if I look at what's happening there with this COVID-19 credit and the COVID-19 credit plus, these are part of the emergency measures of the federal government to provide liquidity at virtually zero cost. And we've had a lot of demand. We wrote to all our clients. We sent them all the link to the special government side, and we've had a lot of inquiries, how to fill in and details, etc. So this is the real world outside of the fintech sector. They are using it by the thousands. And actually, I think 80% of our existing clients have all applied for a COVID-19 credit. The other winners, in our view, the banks, including PostFinance in this case, have really gotten their act together and in virtually no time implemented a measure which is very easy, very hands-on, very practical, and it seems to work. So,
summarize, I see an opportunity to investors to try alternative investment solutions that are available today online, accessible. Within Acredius, you can start investing with 200 Swiss francs. So just that you can imagine what technology enables. So you can invest in a company with 200 Swiss francs within Acredius. For the SME side, it's also a great opportunity. So just to look at it from the technology side, say, well, look, what is my service or product, I can make it digital, whatever it is. Of course, there are some of them, unfortunately, that cannot do it because of several reasons. But nevertheless, I always say we only become more creative and genius in difficult times. Otherwise, we will just continue doing business as usual, which is definitely not the solution today.
Great. Well, thank you, Ghassen, for those last words. I think we're going to wrap it up there because it is the crisis. There's things to be done, and as you all put it so well, it's a time to be optimistic and to put our heads down and to get to work building the future. So, thank you for each of your insights into that. Christen from LEXR, Daniel from System Credit, and Ghassen from Acredius. If you're interested to learn more, you can check them out or reach out to us at the association to learn more. We are going to be sharing more around the coronavirus as well as regular roundtables like this within the ecosystem every week. So continue to engage with the association, subscribe to our YouTube, or even come and join as a member. We hope to see you there. So thanks very much. Thanks to our speakers and to our audience today. Take care, everyone.
Okay, bye-bye.